Hi guys, it's Zach. So you are about to watch my foundation routine, and I forgot to film an intro and an outro, so this is gonna be it. This is just my basic everyday foundation routine. It doesn't really change except when I shave, but I decided I'm not going to shave because there's not that many like full bearded. Sorry, I just ran up the stairs. There's not that many full bearded beauty gurus, and that bothers me. So I'm gonna do like a whole rant video on that. But this is my foundation routine. Like I said, it's very basic. It's my everyday go-to. No matter what products I'm using, it's the same steps. Occasionally it does change, but not really. I don't like really using brushes. Occasionally I will. You know what I'm saying. So please enjoy. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, a like, and please subscribe if you have not already. I will love you for it. Also, check out my Instagram, link down below, and enjoy. So these are the 3 sponges that I use. The first one I use is the Tarte Quickie Sponge for my concealer. Then I use this Shayna B Miami sponge for my foundation, and then finally I use the Real Technique sponge to blend everything together. So my favorite primer at the moment is the Tarte Quench primer, and I love it. It smells great, and it has just the right amount of tackiness for my foundation to stick to. And I've been using it for a while now, and my foundation has never looked better, so I highly recommend it. My Holy Grail foundation, the 24-Hour SuperStay by Maybelline. I love this stuff. About 3 pumps, and that gives me about the right amount of coverage for my full face. I do have a man face, so it takes a little bit more work, you know? And the coverage of this foundation is amazing. I saw that they have it in a stick form, but I've never really tried stick foundation, so if you guys have used it, let me know down in the comments. And let's just keep blending. And I like to blend in circular motions as well as patting motions because I believe it distributes the product more evenly and gives me the greatest coverage that I need. You know what I'm saying? For concealer, I'm using this Undone Beauty palette. Now, the good thing about this palette, it has 3 formulas. It has a sheer formula, it has a more full coverage formula, and finally the full coverage. And that's what I'm using for underneath my eyes because these bags are real. These bags have no idea what they're doing. It's a mess. But this concealer is amazing. It covers everything and it blends perfectly with any foundation that I've used it with. So check it out. I will have it linked down below as well as our Instagram. Now I'm just going to set my under eyes with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in 05 Fair. Nikki Tutorials used it. I tried it. It's perfect. It's my favorite powder for underneath my eyes, and you need to go get this stuff. It's only like $5. To set the rest of my face, I am using the Makeup Revolution Setting Powder in Lace. It's like my skin tone in a bottle. So it's perfect for fortifying my foundation, giving me extra coverage, and it also helps brighten up my face as well. Moving on to bronzer, this is the Hotel Heiress from Tarte. I love this stuff. It's not too dark and it's not too warm for my skin tone. And it gives me the right amount of like a sun-kissed bronze on my face. And it goes perfectly with my contour powder, which you will see in a second. Now, this is the Chemin Light Sculpting Powder. I've never tried the medium, but the light one, I thought it was going to be too light for me, but it actually provides the right amount of coverage and contour for my face. I don't like my contour to be like too bam, you know what I'm saying? So this just gives me that subtle contour and it goes perfectly with the bronzer. Now it's time for blush. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in Peaceful. Love this shade. It's the perfect shade of pink. Gives me that right amount of color on the cheeks, and I am obsessed. Definitely go purchase this at your nearest Ulta. You will not regret it. So now we're just going to give our face a little spritz. This is the Ofra Makeup Setting Spray. I love this stuff, and sometimes you just need a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? More is more, and more is perfect. Now I am taking this LA Color Strobing Powder in Gleaming Goddess. This is my go-to highlighter. It is $3, and look at that glow on my face. That is one swipe, and we're just going to keep glowing, and glowing, and glowing. You can never have too much. A little highlight on the tip of the nose, and the foundation routine is finished. I hope you guys enjoyed.